Welcome to our special report on the future of AI and its impact on society. In recent years, we've seen rapid advancements in the field of artificial intelligence. From self-driving cars to virtual personal assistants, AI is becoming an increasingly integral part of our lives. But what does the future of AI look like? And how will it affect the way we live and work? To answer these questions, we've gathered a panel of experts in the field of AI to discuss the current state of the technology and what we can expect in the coming years. One of the most exciting developments in AI is the ability for machines to learn and adapt on their own. This means that they can improve their performance without human intervention, making them more efficient and effective. Another area of AI that is seeing rapid growth is natural language processing. This technology allows machines to understand and respond to human speech, making it possible for us to interact with them in a more natural way. AI is also being used to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. But with these advancements come new challenges. As AI becomes more advanced, there are concerns about its impact on jobs and privacy. There's no denying that AI will have a significant impact on the job market. Some jobs will be replaced by machines, while others will be created as a result of the technology. Privacy is another major concern with AI. As machines become more sophisticated, there's a risk that they'll be able to collect and use personal data in ways that we can't even imagine. So, what does the future of AI hold? It's clear that the technology will continue to evolve and shape the way we live and work. It's up to us to make sure that we're prepared for the changes that are coming and that we're using AI in a responsible and ethical way. AI has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives, from healthcare and transportation to entertainment and education. But it's important that we use it responsibly to create a better future for all of us. Thank you for joining us for this special report on the future of AI. We hope that it has provided you with a better understanding of the technology and its potential impact on society. Thanks for watching.